Calculate standard deviation, and this is the question. Class interval 155 to 160, 160 to 165 and so on. Frequency they have given 1, 6, 6, 6, 6, 3, 2. Now you have to construct 3 more columns, that is x, fx, and the last column is fx square. Now x is nothing but class mark, also called as a midpoint. 155 and 160. 155 plus 160 divided by 2. Okay, so you'll get 157.5. So right here 157.5. Now 160 plus 165 divided by 2. So it will be 162.5. Next will be 167.5 and 172.5, 177.5, 182.5, 187.5. Okay, now next column is fx. Multiply these two. 1 into 157 is 157.5. Now multiply these two. When you multiply these two, you will get this column. Now the last column is fx square. This is fx, this is x. Multiply these two now. 157.5 into 157.5. You will get 24806.25. I repeat, multiply fx into x. 162.5 into 975. So it will be 158437.5. Now multiply these two. So it will be 16837.5. Multiply these two. 1788537.5. Multiply these two. 189037.5. Multiply these two. 99918.75. Multiply these two. 70312.5. Okay, now add all fx column. Summation of fx will be 5160. Now add this column, that is summation of f into x square. Okay, if you add all this, you will get 889387.5. Add frequency column. If you add this, n equal to 30. Substitute all these values in this standard deviation. Summation of fx square is 889387.5 divided by n value is 30 minus summation of fx 5160 divided by 30 square. Divide this with the help of calculator, minus divide this with the help of calculator, then square. So if you divide, you will get 29646.25 minus divide then square. So 29584. Subtract these two. Square root of 62.25. Take a square root of this. You will get 7.89 in terms of centimeter, because these are the height of the students. So the final answer is 7.89 centimeter. I hope you understood this sum.